Now property 4. Fourth law is, if we are multiplying two different bases with the same power. Earlier we had same base and then we were multiplying it. This time the bases are different, but if their power is same, then it will be a into b to the power m. For example, if I am having 5 to the power 6 multiplied with 2 to the power 6, then see what I have to do. I will multiplying 5 for 6 times. This is the meaning of 5 to the power 6. Whatever is the power, that many times you have to multiply number with itself. 2 to the power 6 also means the same thing. Then I will be multiplying 2 for 6 times. And then these two will be multiplied together. Long time taking, no? But if I use this property, both are having power 6, then I may write here my base for the first term is 5, for the second term it is 2, so it can be written as 5 into 2 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6. Please don't get confused in this one and the first one. In the first one, the base was same. That time you were adding the powers while doing multiplication. This time also we are multiplying, but base is not same, power is same. Okay, bases are different. That time we are not adding powers. What are we doing? We are simply multiplying the two together and writing the common power. Next one. This is power of any number. If it is 0, then it results into 1. So there may be any number given to you, maybe 10 to the power 0, maybe 999 to the power 0, maybe 285 to the power 0, any number, anything, maybe a variable, anything can be there. If its power is 0, its value simply becomes 1. Okay, as in multiplication we studied a to the power m into b to the power n. Same thing goes with the division also. In division, if bases are same, if it is a to the power m divided by b to the power m, then it can be written as a upon b to the power m. Earlier, different base with the same power, they were divided. Now we are simply dividing the bases and then writing the power. Okay, for example, if it is like 6 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3, then what I need to do? First, I will find 6 to the power 3, that is 6 into 6 into 6, and then 2 into 2 into 2. Instead, what I am doing, these two are having base is different but power same, so simply writing it like this, and then 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So it just saved my 2 of the steps and making my process smaller. Okay, so here are the rules. 3 we studied in the first video and this is the second one.